Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. The ferryman is going to join me. I'm waiting on the ferryman. This is what you call rough weather, boys. This is definitely the roughest weather I've been out in. Last time we were out, these little bad boys were doing the job. The ferryman's into another fish. Look at that. Turn round.